At last, a clinically proven solution for damaged toenails, Toenail Pro. This breakthrough product is endorsed by the Institute of Podiatrists. It's recommended by a rapidly growing number of podiatrists and foot health practitioners who are seeing results from Toenail Pro when all other products have failed to work for their patients. Toenail damage, because of disease or lifestyle, drives a significant number of patients to seek help from clinicians. Toenail Pro meets the significant gap in the podiatry market for a product which not only corrects toenail discoloration, thickness and poor texture, but also strengthens nails, improving structure from within, as well as brightening and smoothing the toenail surface. Scientifically formulated to be optimally compatible with the composition of the nail plate, Toenail Pro's unique, proprietary formulation effectively penetrates to condition, hydrate and repair, delivering healthier looking and feeling more resilient toenails. A unique nail health product free of colour, perfume, urea, parabens and volatile organic compounds, gentle and safe, as well as powerfully effective. Innovation in nail health supported by over 20 years of laboratory and clinical research. Toenail Pro is an easy-to-use brush-on product which works rapidly and only needs to be applied once daily. Ideal for almost any patient seeking a safe and effective solution for toenail damage. Find out more about Toenail Pro and how to source this revolutionary product for your podiatry or foot health practice by clicking the link below.